Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. I've already unboxed this. This is my new table, which is a outdoor table, but I'm going to use it as my printer table. And I could also use it as a drink table, but I'm going to use it as my printer table. There's the instruction sheet. There's the beautiful and lovely fluffy cat. It's 80 degrees in here. So I'm going to assemble this in sections. And then I have cleared off this entire area last night and vacuumed it. And tonight I will clear off the area leading to the computer table and the tray table and the camera and the fans and get this place a little cleared out so we can get rid of the refrigerator. Okay, so let me get started by first trying to figure out what do I do with this. Okay, it says here you put the bottom thing into there and attach it to the side. So that would be one of these, and you bolt it into the 4 holes so it looks as if the one shelf on the bottom will go in there, and I'll open that up and do that. So give me a moment. Let's see how this works. Okay, this is George Senda again. I found out the trick to these. You have to put the Allen wrench here so that when you screw the bolt on and the washer, it doesn't move the thing at this end. It stops it, and then you can tighten it. So I've gotten these first 2 done. And of course, as always, when you do these things, I dropped a washer and it went somewhere. So I'll have to go search for it when I get done. All right, 1 half is done to the bottom shelf. Now to do the other half. I'll be back. Okay, I have successfully done the bottom. So now I'll flip it over and do the 3 of the 4 bolts until I find the washer, which is somewhere on the floor. It dropped out of my hand and hit my shorts and went flying. All right, I'll be back. Okay, this is what the bottom half looks like assembled before I start working the top half. Bye-bye. Be back in a minute. Okay, before it's assembled, tightened, whatever you want to call it, here's the top shelf of the table. And I'm going to start attaching the bolt screws and nuts to the top part. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This is George Senda again. It is hot in here. What I like to do is do catty corner so that the table or shelf or whatever doesn't move around. And now I'm going to do the 3rd one and then try to find the washer for the 4th one. And this is hurting my hands. That Allen wrench is not fun. I have a screwdriver, electric screwdriver, and a drill. If I ever find the charging bricks for them, I could do this in like a few seconds. All right, I'll be back. Going to do the 3rd one now. Bye-bye. Okay, this is George Senda again, and I forgot that this is Pittsburgh Unboxing, assembling my printer table. I could not find the washer. I did find a screw that I dropped when I assembled the cart. So that's been on the floor. So, cleared off spilled cat food on the bookcase here. It's UFO books, and I have 2 copies of Communion. I was supposed to send some to somebody, and I got to write them again. Okay, I could not find the washer, but I've tightened it as best I could. So, more cat food. I vacuumed the other day, but didn't get all the cat food up, and I picked up a bunch of stuff off the floor. And this table was dusty when I came out of the box. It's not my dust, but there it is. It's an outdoor table, but I wanted something that came in red, blue, or white, and red's my favorite color. So once I clear away all this stuff over there, this will be my printer table. The printer is blocking my view of the trash can on my Mac. So why is it going AF lock? I don't know. Okay, so that's it. This is the table. It's ready to go. Just then I gotta crawl under there, move stuff. find the printer cable and find the power cord for the printer, and then I can call Canon and get my printer going and not have to pay pack mule $2, $3, $4, $5 to print stuff out anymore. Here's my Halloween piggy bank, literally a Halloween pumpkin piggy. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, with some of my paranormal books. Have a great afternoon and a great evening. Stay cool, stay hydrated, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. And this has been Pittsburgh unboxing and assembling my printer table. So there it is, and it's, you know, light but adequate. All right, talk to you next time. Bye-bye for now.